Python is a powerful programming language, and mastering these 5 essential skills will help you solve real-world problems faster, whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder. The first essential skill is problem solving with Python's built-in features. Python's extensive libraries offer ready-to-use solutions for common challenges. For example, Pandas excels at cleaning and analyzing large datasets, while OS and Shootle are invaluable for automating repetitive tasks. These tools allow you to focus on solving problems rather than writing everything from scratch. A new feature to explore is Python 3.10's structural pattern matching, which simplifies handling complex data structures like JSON. The second skill is boosting logical thinking through Python's control flow. Mastering loops, conditionals, and other flow control tools helps you tackle larger, more complex problems by breaking them into manageable tasks. Python's straightforward syntax makes this process intuitive. For more experienced programmers, features like list comprehensions and lambda functions offer concise ways to express logic. Python 3.10 introduced the match case feature, which can greatly simplify code when dealing with multiple conditions. The third crucial skill is mastering Python syntax for faster debugging. While Python is known for its clean, easy-to-learn syntax, truly mastering it involves writing Pythonic code. For instance, using the with statement to handle files is more efficient than manually managing try-except blocks. An interesting feature for experienced coders is the walrus operator, introduced in Python 3.8, which allows variable assignment within expressions, potentially reducing code length and improving readability. The fourth skill focuses on debugging and testing. Python's built-in PDB debugger allows you to step through your code, examine variables, and quickly identify bugs. For more advanced developers, unit testing frameworks like PyTest or Unit Test ensure code reliability before deployment. Looking ahead, Python 3.11 promises performance improvements with adaptive specialized interpreters, which could enhance debugging processes, especially for performance-related issues. The fifth and final skill is critical thinking and choosing the right tools for the job. Python's versatility allows it to tackle a wide range of problems, from web development with Flask and Django to data science with NumPy and scikit-learn. However, part of critical thinking is recognizing when Python might not be the best choice. For instance, while Python excels at automation and web scraping, other languages like C++ or Rust might be more suitable for performance-intensive tasks like mobile app development or gaming. Mastering these 5 skills will significantly enhance your effectiveness as a Python programmer. Remember, Python is more than just syntax. It's about leveraging powerful tools to solve real-world problems. By focusing on these essential skills, you'll be well-equipped to tackle a wide range of programming challenges and take your Python expertise to the next level.